Hello guys, this is Srinivas the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the Skillrack daily challenge of April 6th, 2021. Let's see what's in there. Extended divisibility. The program must accept two integer n and k value. It must be the divider and divisor. Okay. If n is divisible by k, then the integer value n by k must be added to the list k times. Okay. Then the program must repeat the process of all the newly added integer in the list. Finally, the program must print the integer value in a list as an output. Okay, not only for n, for t elements. Let's see. Here the input is 4 and 2, output is 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, how this is happening? N is divisible by 2, of course 4 is divisible by 2. So 2 is printed for k times, 2 times, okay. And this 2 is divisible by 2. So 1 is printed for k times twice, and this 2 is divided by 2 as well, so this double 1 is printed for that. And 1 is not divisible by 2, so the program stops that point. Let's see for this example. Here the 10 is divisible by 5 with the value of 2, so it gives 2 for k times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 5 times. Here the 7 is not divisible by 5, so 7 alone printed. Let's see how to solve this one. First we have to find all the values. For example, 4, 2 will divide until it gets 0 or not divisible by 2. For example, 4 will be transferred. First we have to put 4 alone, then 4 will be 2, 2 will be 1, and the iteration stop here. So we have to find the elements of the list. First get the input first. N comma k equal to map of in comma input of dot split of, so it will store the values 4 comma 2 in n comma k. Let's make some list. It initially contains n always, while n by k equal to 0 or n, which is nothing but greater than 0. L dot, list dot append of n by k, n divided by equal to k. We have to update the n value, right? Let's see what's in the list now. Oh no. Yeah, it should be on here, because at this case n would be 1 and it is not divisible by 2, so if n is greater than 0, then the loop will iterate without exit point. 4 alone. You gotta be kidding me, aren't you? What is wrong with this problem? Okay, let's see. Why n by k equal to 0. Print of n slash equal to k. Oh, that's perfect. What am I missing here? Let's see what are the values in n, k and the list. The values are stored properly. Oh my god. N modulo k and n obviously greater than 0. List dot append of n by k n slash equal to k. Print of list. Yeah, this thing happens when you are in a sleep mode. 4 to 1 we got the proper output, but not exactly proper one. Let's try this for something else. n comma k equal to 7 comma 5. Yeah, we are getting the proper output. So all we have to do is extend k times yeah, this checks only for 4, 2 and then 1. This 2 is missing here, right? How we gonna manage that one? Here the n value should be what? Let me try something else. What if n would be L of I is equal to 0 or 1? I is smaller than len of list. N equal to list of I plus 1. I plus equal to 1. Printf, tada. I know that tada not gonna stop this one because there might be a lot of this case or this kind of syntax error. Oh my god, we are getting the proper output, dude. Let's try this for something else. 10,5. Yeah, we are getting the proper output. Let me ask a simple question. Which programming language do you guys prefer? Because I'm a kind of Python lover, so I will make videos in Python usually. So if you guys want something else, let me know through the comments. Yeah, that's expected one. Hope you guys are aware about extend variable, extend method keyword or something, which is nothing but here what I'm doing is adding list for plus 2 k times, which is 2 times. So the list would be 4, 2, 2. If I use append there, then the list will be, there will be a list inside a list. We don't need that thing, right? That's what I use for, use the append. And what I'm doing at this progress is iterating the elements from 4, 2 and again 2, like that. Here I'm putting star, which nothing but act like for I in list print of I comma n equal to, the both thing will act the same. This star is nothing but a value operator, which is just only care about the value inside the list, not about the list. See, we are getting the same, but there is some additional space at this point. Hope the Skillrack don't care about this one. Here is the final code, guys. Tan, ta, tan. Here again we made it. Thank you guys, thanks for the support.